Pranay Chauhan, Head Sales and New Business Development, North and East India, Ballhoff Fastenings Private Limited. Shri Chauhan leads sales and exports for Ballhoff India. With 17 plus years of experience across automotive and rail OEMs, he specializes in fastening solutions tailored to Indian manufacturing needs. He holds an engineering degree and an MBA. His experience of working with customers across various industries plays a vital role in understanding the needs of customers and helps to bring forth the best solution in form of highest quality products and service offerings for Ballhoff India. Please put your hands together and welcome Shri Pranay Chauhan on stage.
Good evening. I have traveled the shortest distance. I was just the backside. Hope you have noticed throughout the day, 2 days. So post-lunch, I understand it is very difficult and we are heading towards closure of the session. So I'll run through the slides, not walk. And you guys can yawn freely, I won't notice, so don't worry. So good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and dignitaries, friends and colleagues, friends I have made in the last 2 days. My name is Pranay, and I am taking care of Ballhoff Fastenings North and East of India and taking care of exports as well. This will be the agenda for today's presentation. I'll be taking you through what Ballhoff is, Ballhoff India operations since when we are in India, Ballhoff and railways, how we collaborate with the railways, our safety-driven solutions and customer success stories as well. Starting with when we started as an engineering company way back in 1877. This is 148th year of our existence. So such a huge history, we must be doing something right. That is why we still stand tall and very, very proud of what we have done so far. So we started as an engineering company. When I say so, this means that we started giving engineering solutions to our customers. We were not manufacturing anything. And we were delivering solutions, maybe special coating, special heat treatment, special rust requirement or anything, or special design as well. We were doing the same at our vendor end and delivering the required parts to our customers. 1923, we shifted to Billyfield, which is our present-day head office as well. 1958 onwards, we started manufacturing the parts, and now since last 7-8 decades, we are making the parts as well. This is family-based organization run by these two gentlemen downstairs, Michael and William. They are into 4th generation of this business right now. And when I speak about the vision of the organization, we work towards innovation and sustenance. And having vision in the center, of course, you grow, I grow. Customer centricity, customer is the most important for everybody. As I said, we work on innovation and sustenance. And we are a fantastic employer as well. So, of course, doors are open, we can always discuss. When I speak about value proposition, we work in 360 degree of value chain, starting with innovation. All of us correlate with cars in most common terminology. And we speak about lightweight design, weight requirement. We speak about IP67, IP68 because everybody is speaking about EVs, and same stand for various categories of railways as well. We are already working from the fastener supplier as well in that field. We are, of course, a category C supplier, being a fastener item, but we start with the development itself. We are in touch with our customer from the development or inception of the stage project itself. As I said in the beginning, we started as an engineering company. So we are purchasing the parts for our customers and we are making the parts as well. This is just to increase the kitty of the offering to our final customers. And when I speak about assembly as well, I'm not only giving the inserts, I'm making the assembly tools as well. So it is kind of a one-stop solution for my customer. He do not have to run for fasteners for somebody else and tools for somebody else. So I offer this complete solution to them. And we have logistics system as well. If we are procuring 50, 40 part numbers from us, we can give you just-in-time system, which we call EcoSit, and we can deliver it in just-in-time in your lines as well. So we are very good in quality and services. This goes without any question. This is everybody's news as on date. Second will be Ballhoff India operation when we started, and we are as on date. We started in 2007. And we started manufacturing in 2011. We have a head office in Gurgaon. And we have sales offices in Gurgaon, again, Pune, Chennai, and Bangalore. We are at the proximity to the customer locations. And you can always visit to our website as well. It is very informative and educative website. Giving a glimpse of our shop floor, our office area and warehouse, we have a state-of-the-art warehouse and shop floor, where we keep a stock of close to 8 to 10 months based upon customer requirement. And being a fastener, like we are getting it from Germany, China, and various parts of the India as well, lead times are high. Just to ensure the smooth transition, we keep a stock of 8 to 10 months as well, so that customer do not have to suffer because of the longer lead times. And again, if we speak about in terms of cars, 9 of 10 cars are having Boloff fasteners. That is our reach in automotive, and we are very aggressively and rigorously working in railways industries as well. Moving next, if I speak about what capabilities we are actually working towards made in India, not only make in India. We have already localized thread creation technologies. We have localized thread reinforcement technologies. And we have localized blind rivet technologies as well. We have made an investment of close to 25 CR this year itself. And now we are having a cold forging setup as well, in which we'll be making rivet technologies. More global technologies which we supply from various locations of Boloff are assembly technologies, high-speed riveting, sealing technologies, adhesive technologies, clinchings, quick release system as well. We have fasteners for all these technologies as well. In addition, we have R&D support out of Germany, China, and France. And in fact, as we speak, we are setting up a local laboratory in India as well, and which will be operational in the next 5 to 6 months, in which we will be able to give you kind of a first aid if there is any query related to our products. Engineering support will be able to give you from India itself. Second is blind rivet technologies. Joining 2 or 3 sheets may be similar or dissimilar. We are having pop rivets, we are having rivclays and rivclay studs as well. And some parts of rivclays we'll start making, rivet nuts we'll start making in India in maybe a couple of months' time now. Next is parts which we are making through injection molding. This we are getting from China, France, and Germany right now, but we are getting very good RFQs from various industries, and moving ahead, we may localize this technology as well, maybe a couple of years down the line. This is also in the plans. And we are giving fasteners for tolerance compensation and plug and play, which we make from injection molding. Then we have high-speed joining, that is Rivset and Rivtech. This is maybe a replacement of spot welding as well, but a very interesting part is where you have to join, again, 2 or 3 different material sheets together. Spot welding is not an option. That is where Rivset and Rivtech comes into play. We are making machines as well, and we are giving consumables, and everything is like being delivered to our Indian customers as well as on date. And as I said, we are making tools as well, and we are having a complete Boloff setting technology as well, where we give a complete line automation as well to our final customers. The latest, if we speak about, again, OEMs and automotive, we have given a complete line automation to Tata Mahindras, and we are working with Tatas and other OEMs as well, where a complete line is set up with the Boloff machines. So you can see the category, if I speak, it is from a very small fastener to the complete line automation as well. And these are all proprietary parts, the parts which we are making since the last 7-8 decades. And when I talk about purchasing as well, because we are engineering expert, we take care of customer special needs. As I said in the beginning, it might be in terms of special coating, might be in terms of special red rust, white rust requirements, or special design as well. Those parts, everything I cannot make, but I can give my engineering services to my vendor base. As on date, we are having 140,000 part numbers, which we are getting from our vendors. They are our dedicated vendors all over the globe, from where we are getting these parts. We are developing, we are acting as their engineering arm, developing those parts at their ends, and keeping the stock at our end and giving it to our final customers. Then second, we have trademark parts as well, in which we are supplying grip locks, sealing knots, edge-out parts as well, and peri-plug and units. And in addition, as I said, we can give you DIN and ISO parts based upon your customization requirements. You may have, again, special requirements. Those we can do for you and give you the desired part with the desired outcome as per customer needs. Moving ahead, I will be speaking about how we collaborate with railways, what we offer in railways, and how the products which we are already offering in railways, and how we are trying to bring in some success stories as well based upon customer requirements, and we are able to serve those needs as well. As everybody knows, like, railway as a mode of transport and carriage is highest than ever before as on date. But naturals, OEMs and tiers are also very, very demanding. And of course, it is leading to shorter product cycles, lightweight and environmental friendly materials as well is at the epitome. So we, through our 360-degree approach on value chain, ensure best engineered fasteners to meet our customers' requirement without any compromise in quality and standards. If I speak about the various modules where we are supplying in body in white, we are supplying in interiors, we are supplying in running and gears and bogies as well. If I want to give you a gist of the parts where we are supplying, we are giving parts for thread creation, thread reinforcement, adhesive bondings, tolerance compensation, noise and vibration, high-speed joining, for body in white as well, for fastener-less joining as well, which we call clinching, and self-locking, as well as assembly tools as I have spoken in previous slides as well. And in the category which I spoke about, our affected part category, 140,000 part numbers list, we might be up by 5 part numbers just now when we are speaking, because we are all the time developing new parts with our customers based upon their requirements. Now, next is something which is how safety is important. One of the gentlemen yesterday said that fasteners are treated as a category C items, but fasteners can give you A-class problems. I truly agree with that, because when we tear down the issue's biggest catastrophes or accidents, at times a reason might be very, very small part, which might be at the base of it. So what best I can do is, these are one of very out of many reasons. Some of the reasons which have led to the accidents in railways might be because of malfunctioning of braking system or communication system or running gears or XYZ reason there can be. So the only part how I, being a fastener maker, can contribute is that I make the best quality parts which I am responsible for. So some of the applications, for example, if I take an example of the part which I'm giving in a cabin, we call it Flexitol, which is made up of stainless steel. It is a hybrid as well, which is made up of plastic, and this is a complete metal stainless steel part, which is having a friction element which will help in a tolerance compensation. While you screw something in a clockwise direction, friction element will come out in an anti-clockwise direction and will give you the tolerance between two sheets based upon your requirement. Second is, one common issue which we have received from various customers is that after you assemble helicoils in aluminum castings, it loosens over the period of time. Then we have innovated screw lock helicoils, which is patented design by Bohlhoff, and the rhombus profile of the helicoil is also, and alloy is also patented by Bohlhoff, and which will give you the middle insert ring is hexagonal in shape, which will give you a screw lock joint, and fastener will not be able to move within the assembly itself. And next is we speak about gear assemblies, utmost importance, and we have suggested rip lock for these areas. And it will give you a very, very tight joint, and you can visit our website and see the report of rip lock as well. They run for 750 cycles at 8.5 hertz, and like a straight line result can be seen in the video itself. So that is kind of the ergonomics and strength these joints give. Very quickly, I'll cover some more applications. We have given helicoils for railway doors, rivet nuts for railway interiors, again blind rivet nuts for air conditionings, and copsets for railway interiors, and helicoils for aluminum parts, more rivet nuts for ice doors, and more Cytec and snap lock for interiors and windows. Some more applications, again Flexitol, as I spoke about, can be used in subway bodies, more rivet nuts in subway traction boxes, and some disc springs in windshield wipers, and pop rivets in body in white. These are some of the examples, but not limited to these. There are enormous applications where we are proudly supplying and giving the best quality parts at the very, very competitive prices as well. Last part of my presentation will be a couple of examples which will show how we interact with our customer. We try to take care of the issues which they are facing and try to give the best solution. For example, Dingen, everybody knows they are maker of auxiliary converters. They are having a modular design which give them the flexibility to assemble in various locations like under floor containers, roof-mounted systems, etc. So they were looking for a very, it faces a highest level of vibrations. So they were looking for very strong connections. So we have given to them Nod locks, which is having wedge design on the inner side and radial ribs on the outer sides. And two Nod locks combined together give a very, very tight joint, and which adds to their modular design. They are able to give a better service to their final customers. Second example is one of our customer, again, KWD, they are maker of couplings. And couplings in railways, all of us know, can be kept in storage for a longer period of time, and which can lead to the loosened screws, and that time can be lost as well. So we gave them Perry plugs, which were able to prevent the unauthorized loosening of screws and lock the element inside the screw itself, so that final assembly is hassle-free and it can be used over the period of time as well. So these are a couple of success stories which gives an idea that we try to address the issue spot on and see how we can add the value to the final solution which we are giving to our customers. So I hope I have not taken much of your time. So thank you so much for your patience, and I wish luck to all of us. Thank you so much.